My Cutlass!
Alright, well, everything is good to go, buttoned up, and works. That's just the car needing to cool off. Alright. But everything works, as you can see. There's a mileage, so you know the speedometer working, all that, so yep. Everything is good to go. Good to go. So I could have added this, but got it all worked out. Well, it's definitely a cleaner setup, but it would be a real short video. I am sorry though, the little charger thing I was trying to do, no bueno. So gotta return this, but it's definitely a lot cleaner. I like it. I got one idea that I might do, but just, you know, get that up off there. I gotta wipe that off, but yeah, it's clean and simple. That's all I wanted. I mean, it's an NA car. What I was doing was already overkill. Shit, the harness overkill for this car, but oh well. That's how that's going. So now, get these seats burgundy. Probably some new upper door panels. Get this interior buttoned up.
Well, bye.